Hi guys, so I'm baking some cookies for the family get together, but I didn't have a Christmas container. I didn't want to buy one because I live in a small apartment and my storage space is very small, and then I would have to figure out where to store all this Christmas stuff. So what I did was I got some Dollar Tree Christmas plates, which I'm gonna be serving the family the cookies in here. And then I also had some Christmas doilies that I just got for Christmas this year. So I had this plastic container. It's not pretty at all. So I decided to do is put a plate on the bottom, and then I'm going to surround, as you guys can see, I'm gonna surround the edges with the doilies, so it's gonna look like a pretty Christmas container, and I'm gonna be able to take my cookies in here and they're gonna be nice. And then at the end of the night, when all the cookies are done, I just wash the container and bring home like leftovers. So I'm gonna show you guys how it ends up looking. Let me just finish putting the doilies all around it. Okay guys, so this is how it ended up looking. It looks pretty cute, and it looks like it came like that. So right now the cookies are in the oven, and once they are finished, I cool them off, I'm gonna put them inside here. So isn't this pretty? I think it's so cute. The idea just kind of popped into my head. I was like, oh, this container looks so ugly and it doesn't look Christmassy at all. And so I saw the plates and I figured maybe they'll fit on the bottom. If I just push it all the way to the bottom, and definitely fit. And then putting the doilies all around it kind of finishes it up, so it looks really pretty. So I'm glad I didn't buy a Christmas cookie container, because I could just reuse this one every year with this idea. So the cookies right now are in the oven. I might show you guys well, after I put them in there, like how everything ends up looking. I'm not sure yet. We'll have to wait and see. If not, if I leave the video right here, I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, and if you guys are celebrating Nochebuena, que tengan un feliz Nochebuena con su familia. Okay guys, so here are the cookies. So don't judge, it's only my second time ever making cookies. These are the peanut butter, and then I did the chocolate chip, and then these are the sugar cookies, who for some reason look a little burned. I don't know why, because I left them, it said 8 to 10 minutes, and I left them in for 9 minutes instead. But the chocolate chip looked fine, and so do the peanut butter. So once they cool down, I'm gonna put them in the container over there that I decorated, and then I'll show you guys how they look all inside. I was gonna decorate them, but then I don't want like the frosting getting everywhere, so I think I'm just gonna leave them as is, and then when I do cupcakes, I'll use the frosting then. Guys, so here are the cookies. I already put them inside the container, so they're ready to go. My baby's sneezing. So they're ready to go. Put them in layers. I just spread them out like and that's it. So the idea came out pretty nice, and they look kind of cute in there as well too. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.